Hey, I'm Juan.
Hi, I'm Ava, and these are our dogs, Daisy and Tuesday.
Hi, and I'm Bettina. All right, what's going on over here?
Black insulation.
Oh.
Put it on, kind of wrapped it around.
Oh, you toasted it on top instead of the bottom. All right.
Yeah. So
It looks good.
there's no wind get in, I hope. And
All
so
right.
now it's a matter of putting on the.
Coffee with the sunrise, the songbird in the
Nobody's catching anything. I'm not getting it. Oh my gosh, that's so bad.
What?
I heard you over there.
Okay. Gotta keep that to ourselves.
He caught one.
cobblestones in Portugal, a warm Thai summer rain, dusty roads through Mexico, then back to camp again. We've learned the finest journeys don't need a perfect plan. The best part of the open road is the people in this land. Keep on wondering.
Nice.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
That's awful.
Crossing borders, changing views.
Well, it's wood on the bottom and foam on
Every
top.
single hand
Oh, she's trying to learn how to ride that wave.
a
Nice.
different path to choose. Another sunrise waiting,
Oh, in deep water.
a new horizon view. Keep on wondering, keep on wondering, keep on wondering. The world is calling you.
Ooh. You're getting the hang of it. Look at him go. Joe taking off in the Jeep. I know. He's comfortable driving in the sand. I'm not. I don't like it when it loses grip. Oh, go. There goes one. Can he catch a surf? Oh, there he goes. Whee! Go, honey, honey, go. Where are the girls? Oh, they're going out. Oh, look at the birds. How cute are they? Oh, they're so cute. Hi. How was the drive?
Fun, fun, fun.
Woo!
Oh my God, I've seen your picture. Let me just say that don't have a good luck of long life. However, this evening should be particularly fun. Give it like your last. Oh no, I think it's time for the dinner.
You and I are gonna have a heart attack together.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Dad, you're in the way. I went to a haunted house this Halloween and it like reminds me of this.
Keep going, babe.
Oh wow, this is real.
Why is it still going?
Oh, whoa, that I was not expecting. No, put Joe first.
No, then I can't film what happens.
Okay.
Yes, she can. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
That's about right.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Taco.
It's a thin door. Cheese.
Pizza.
Now what happened there?
I flinched.
You can't flip. You can't.
Oh.
This
Oh, is
serious.
the idea not to get the cards? No.
Yes.
But the way
Taco.
you not get the card. The way you not get the card by putting your hand down first. So you like flinch.
The
'cause you
last
wanna do
person that puts their hands down gets to pick up the pile.
it. Taco.
Cat.
Go. Cheese.
Pizza. It's like an NBA final here.
Coffee with the sunrise, the songbird in the light, looking past the campsite with wonder and delight. Beyond the glowing phone screen, new paths are opening wide, from mountain peaks to ocean waves with nowhere left to hide. Keep on wondering, keep on wondering, a new story's around the bend. Keep on wondering, keep on wondering, every pathway is a friend. Every morning, wild and free, with wonder as our guide. Cobblestones in Portugal, a warm Thai summer rain, dusty roads through